Klipsch has announced the launch of Heritage, a soundbar that moves away from conventional thanks to this time is passive, that is, it does not have integrated amplifiers that give power to the drivers, but we will have to use a separate receiver or amplifier for this function. It is basically three identical speakers that the brand has encapsulated under the elongated shape of a soundbar with the intention that its aesthetic is better in our decorations, as long as we have space and possible economic to install it. The basic version of the bar has a length of 49.5 inches, but it is possible to order custom sizes of up to 80 inches to accompany larger screens. Thus, we find that each of the three integrated channels has a 0.75-inch tweeter with titanium diaphragm and dispersion technology Tractrix horn accompanied by two 4-inch woofers made with Cerametallic, an exclusive material of the brand. The acoustic box is closed design, so the frequency response with such small drivers is not too spectacular and low, only up to 95 Hz 75 Hz with a drop of 10 dB offering a good sensitivity of 92 dB. In terms of power, it supports 75 watts RMS 300 watts of peak per channel and recommends an amplifier between 50 and 150 watts that can work with its 8 ohm impedance.